Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajshekar Kungari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Marcus Smith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website, Market Smith India. As you can see here, Nifty has been trading below its 200 DMA, which is not a positive sign for the investors. Nifty has to reclaim its moving averages to find the momentum on the positive side. Coming to the market status, we are in a rally attempt. Recently, we changed the market status to a rally attempt, and Nifty needs to find a follow-through session before changing the market status to confirmed uptrend. On the downside, if the Nifty continues to fall from here, we will change the market status to downtrend as well. Earnings season has been continuing, and companies such as banks and IT companies have started to report their numbers. In the yesterday's session, L&T Finance Company has come up with the results. The net interest income for the company for December quarter has increased 11% to 2,000 crores of rupees year-on-year basis. Profit on the other side was down 2% to 626 crores of rupees. Net interest margin was down. It was down to 8.5% from 8.97% earlier. Even though the growth was there on the top line, the similar growth was not present in the bottom line and margin front. Jammu Kashmir Bank has also come up with the numbers. Net interest income for the quarter has increased 18% to 1,500 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was up more than 26% to 531 crores of rupees. Asset quality has deteriorated for the company as gross NPAs were up 13 basis points to 4.08%, and net NPAs were up 9 basis points to 0.85%. Oberoi Realty has come up with the numbers as well. Revenue has increased more than 34% to 1,400 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was up more than 71% to 618 crores of rupees. Coming to the institutional activity, yesterday FIS have sold heavily in the Indian market. They have sold more than 4,300 crores of Indian equities. Domestic institutional investors have bought more than 4,300 crores of Indian equities. So balance was done by the domestic institutional investors. Coming to today's session, we are looking at companies such as Tata Technologies, General Small Finance Bank, KEA Industries, South Indian Bank, UCO Bank, and Dalmia Bharat coming with their results for the December quarter. US market is closed yesterday, and Asian markets is trading mixed as we speak, even though the magnitude of decline has not been higher. Shanghai and Kospi are trading in the negative territory around 0.2 to 0.4% lower. Nikkei is trading with a gain of 0.1%. Gift Nifty is indicating a muted opening for the Indian markets, around 2300 400 levels. We are expecting a Nifty opening. But we need to have a follow-through session, that is Nifty advancing more than 1.5% or more on volume higher than the previous session before changing the market status to confirmed uptrend. Until then, we might see muted action on the Nifty's front. Divis Laboratories has been setting up very good in this current market. It is forming a stage one consolidation base pattern. The previous also it has formed a similar kind of base pattern, but it was not able to close above the pivot level, that is around 6,250. That it has been the resistance level for the stock. If that level is reclaimed, that is another 4% from here. This stock has to advance to close above the pivot. Until then, we might see consolidation going forward as well, given the market juncture where consolidation is expected. We might see similar action on the stock as well. But when the market improves from here, definitely a very good stock to consider. And the setup has been very good. If you look at the ratings have also been very good for the company. Price strength and buyer demand have been exceptionally good, indicating good leading action of the stock from the corresponding stocks in the sector and overall market as well. EPS has been slightly lower at 66, but it will definitely improve coming. If you look at the December quarter results, if they come out good, this number will also be improving. Number of funds section, the recent quarter has seen a sharp improvement, again a very positive sign. So overall, Divi's Labs has been a very good a leading company in the pharmaceutical space in India, and it has been setting up beautifully as well on the chart. So definitely a very good stock to consider if the market structure improves from here. Currently, we are not advising to take a fresh entry because there has been resistance around pivot levels. That pivot has to be reclaimed or retaken by the stock to find the momentum on the positive side. On the downside, 100 EMA has been acting as a very good support, so that will definitely be kept as stop loss going forward. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.